Hi, my name is Sterline Duffaut. I am currently in the BSN program here at Galen, Tampa Bay. I chose Galen because I had a previous school I went to prior to that, but the moment I felt like Galen was like my option, I noticed how they really helped me to understand the easy concept, especially dosage calculation, where I kind of like struggle in that with math. But the way they set up their, how to do the problem with dosage calc, it's step by step, easy to understand. And each module for it, there's like a video you can follow on through. Whereas in the other places, or before I went to my other school, it was not giving that in depth like that. So I love how they give me the easy instruction to understand how to do these calculation, because it's you're saving a patient's life. You have to know how to properly calculate. So I love the fact that they help me to easy understand dosage calc. Yeah, my number one reason, honestly.